Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use VPNs for remote businesses in Teams. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use VPNs for remote business teams, all you can do is simply set up a VPN server and deploy the client software to the employee devices. You need to ensure an access through a secure server with strong authentication like a single sign-on SSO and multi-factor authentication. Employees then connect to the VPN to access company resources securely. So you need to simply set up a VPN server. You need to go install and configure a VPN that is very much widely used, and you need to install it on your server, possibly on a server with multiple network adapters for public and internal access. After this, you need to configure the server and deploy the client application. Once this is done, you need to create and deploy a configuration profile and implement strong authentication along with integrating it with other tools. So this way you can simply use VPNs for remote business teams. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.